Welcome dear student. So now we'll study about the ripening behavior of the fruit. What are the different ripening behavior? So basically depend upon the ripening behavior, the fruit are classified into two groups. One is climacteric fruit, another is non-climacteric fruit. So what is basically climacteric fruit? So the fruit, they have a specific behavior, that means they have a peculiar behavior of increasing in ethylene production while they are ripening. So during the process of ripening, there is an sudden upsurge in ethylene production as well as carbon dioxide emission. So as well as the respiration rate. So these are called as the climacteric fruit. Then coming to the non-climacteric fruit, so these are the fruit who gave a steady rest. That means during in a growth and development of the fruit, there are different stages like initially the fruit grow, then the development phase, then it mature, then there is a ripening, then there is a senescence. So during the ripening phase, in case of climacteric fruit, there is a sudden increase in respiration rate as well as the ethylene production rate. But in case of non-climacteric fruit, there is steady. There does not have any increase in the respiration rate or the ethylene production rate during the ripening process. That's why the non-climacteric fruit have a normal process of respiration as well as the ethylene production, but in case of climacteric fruit, we can get a climacteric peak. That means during the ripening stage, we can get a peak where there is an increase in ethylene production as well as increase in respiration rate. So the example are there here in this picture. You can get the example: apple, apricot, mango, papaya, jackfruit. So these are the climacteric fruit like lychee, carambala, cucumber, eggplant, pomegranate. So these fruit are the non-climacteric fruit. Okay. So in case of climacteric fruit, you can harvest the fruit when they mature and you can ripen the fruit in your home. But in case of non-climacteric fruit, the fruit should be harvested when it is ripe in the plant. Once you harvest the fruit from the plant, it will not ripe again. But in case of climacteric fruit, once you harvest the fruit from the plant, if it is mature enough, then it will ripe in your home in the normal room temperature. Though it is detached from the plant, though the fruit has been detached from the plant, but it will ripe if it is a climacteric fruit. But if in case of non-climacteric fruit, if the fruit has not been ripened in the plant, it will not ripe if you pluck it and put it in the room temperature in a normal condition. So the climacteric fruit has to be harvested once they mature, but the non-climacteric fruit should be harvested once they are ripened in the tree itself. Like you just remember the example. So these are the example of climacteric and non-climacteric fruit. Thank you.